Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and this one is of the new Neals Yard Remedies Icons collection. So this is the Christmas gift here, which is got a bunch of their best selling products in it. So there's three different iconic collections from them inside. So if you haven't heard of them before, they are a natural and organic beauty and wellness brand. So there's a lot of really lovely organic skincare products inside this gift set. So like I said, there's three different collections inside, and we have the Frankincense Intense collection, which is all about smoothing the skin. Then there's also the Wild Rose, which is all about giving our skin a nice healthy glow. And then there's the Women's Balance collection, which is all about restoring balance and relaxing the body. So the set will be available from November, so I will link it down below in the description box when it is up on their website. So it's nealyardsremedy.com, so I will link it down in the description box. And the overall set is worth £335, but it'll be selling on their website for £250. So I'm excited to get into it and show you everything. And I've only ever tried one product from them before, which was the Frankincense tonic. So yeah, I'm excited about this. So this is what the actual product looks like. So there's three drawers in it, so it's like a kind of keepsake box, which is great. It has the logo on the top there as well, which is cute. And here's how they've placed the products inside, like very easily displayed. This first drawer has the Wild Rose collection in it, and it was inspired by their cult favourite product of the Wild Rose Beauty Balm, and the collection is formulated with glow-giving organic and rosehip seed oil. So we're going to start off with the product they mentioned there. This is their One Pot Wonder Wild Rose Beauty Balm. So I'm excited to try this because they said it's a cult product. Ooh, smells really nice. That's it right there. It's this kind of thick balm texture, which definitely smells of rose and essential oils. So it says this multi-purpose one pot wonder balm can be used in many ways, including as an exfoliator cleanser using the organic muslin cloth. So they've, as you can see here, they've included a muslin cloth, which is great. So I'll show you that in a little minute. You can also use it as an intensive nourishing treatment or for finishing touches for a natural radiant glow. I want to quickly mention that the whole brand is organic and all the products are filled with essential oils. Everything is going to have that really strong scent to them. The ingredients in here are jojoba, shea, rosemary, citronello, and there's a bunch of other ingredients in there as well. And yeah, I'm looking forward to using this, and I like that it says it can be used on all skin types. Yeah, this is supposed to be their cult favourite product, so cannot wait to try that out. Packaging for it's really cute. I like that they have their logo embedded in the cap there, if you can see it. So like it says in the Wonder Balm, you can use a muslin cloth to cleanse your face with it. So this is a little muslin cloth that they've included in the gift set, and it has our little logo on it there. So the next thing in the Wild Rose collection is the AHA toner. So I'm looking forward to trying this out, and like I said, I've tried their Frankincense toner before, which is nice, but I haven't tried this one, and I assume it's going to have the same scents as the Wonder Balm, but I'm just going to open it anyway. The bottle is a glass bottle, and just like with a lot of their packaging, it's actually heavy glass bottles. There's a few kind of like tube products in the collection, but most of them are like heavy glass bottles. Yeah, really nice. It's very strong, and it has a little bit of a different scent from the Wonder Balm, but obviously that's because it's a toner. It says this renews and refines with a natural source of AHAs. It's a daily resurfacing treatment which leaves the skin glowing with radiance, and you can use it in the morning and in the evening after cleansing. You just use like a little cotton pad to sweep all over your face, so you can use it daily, but if you have more sensitive skin, it recommends to use it only once or twice a week. Also up here in the Wild Rose collection, we get the Glow Day Cream, which is a 12-hour moisturising cream. I'm excited to give this a little smell, and I'm also going to kind of swatch a little bit on my hand. It just smells like the tonic there, and the cream seems, oh wow, this cream is so thin. Like, is that what you would say? Thin, lightweight. It's very lightweight, Oh, it feels lovely. I'm just applying this all over my hand right now. It is a really thin moisturiser, but it takes a little bit of rubbing in, if you can see that, just to get the kind of white cast away from it. But it feels lovely on the skin. I love how lightweight it is. This will intensely hydrate and revitalise the skin, leaving it soft and supple with a healthy glow. Yeah, I'm looking forward to using this. This just sounds lovely and the feel of it's incredible. And then the last thing we get in the Wild Rose collection is their hand cream. It says this has organic wild rose hip seed oil, just like the other product. It also has organic almond oil, which will give you soft and supple and beautiful scented skin. So I'm going to give this a little try. So I've just put a little bit on my hand there. Oh, that's really nice. It's very subtle. It's a lot kind of softer scented than the other glow moisturiser there. Like, yeah, because it has that almond oil in it, it's a little bit less intense, you know. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. I like the almonds, and it actually absorbed well into my hand there. Like, yeah, and it gives a nice little glow to the skin, which is beautiful. That feels absolutely gorgeous on my hand. That'll be such a great product for this winter time. Like, look at the shine it's given my palm. I'm going to move down to the next collection. The Frankincense Intense collection is an award-winning certified organic and clinically proven age well skincare range. This is the Frankincense Intense collection, and I'm excited for these. Like, I can see a serum here, like there's a serum here which I'm excited to get into. I'm going to start off with that. So it's a hand treatment serum, so I thought it was going to be a face serum because you know me, I love like serums on my skin. But anyway, this is a hand treatment serum. I do have this other hand cream on just now, but I'm going to try and see if I can smell it if I apply it to my other hand, but my other hand has got rose in it. So anyway, I'm going to try and smell this for you. So I've just applied a little bit there. It feels lovely on the skin. I wish this was a face serum. Like, I don't know, could you probably use it as a face serum? I don't know, but I'll check that out. It says it smooths and firms and evens the skin tone on your hands then, but like, could you use this on your face? Like, I am intrigued by this product. It has a really strong frankincense scent to it. This is beautiful. I love the feeling of this. This is gorgeous on the hand, and again, this gives a nice little glow to the hand as well. Yeah, but I also love the glowiness to the rose one. I do love serums, like they are my favourite type of things to apply to my body. So I'll definitely be giving this a go. I'll probably go through this quite quick actually because I just love serums. Next thing in the Frankincense collection is the Age Defying Cream. That's it right there. And again, it has the logo in silver this time on the cap, which is cute. Ooh, okay, so straight away I can see when I was opening this that this cream looks thicker than the glow one from the Rose collection. Ooh, nice. It smells like the hand serum, but this one, yeah, this one's a little bit thicker. Not too much, as you can see, it's really still nice and smooth there and quite lightweight, I would say. Yeah, quite watery, which is good. A little bit thicker than the Rose one, but not by too much really. Let me just give this a little smell. Yeah, it just smells like the hand serum there. God, my hands are going to be super moisturised after this. I just keep rubbing all the creams into them. It says it visibly smooths and plumps fine lines. So yeah, like I said, this collection is all about like anti-aging. So it's going to help with fine lines and wrinkles and things like that. Next thing in the Frankincense Intense collection is the Cleansing Melts. So we had a Wonder Balm, which is kind of like a cleanser in the Rose collection. So this one is going to be slightly different, I think, because it's in a squeezy tube. So I think it's going to be a little bit lighter in formula, because the Wonder Balm is a little bit like a thick kind of balm that melts into like a kind of oil when you start applying it. And this looks this looks great. It's a really kind of jelly or gel type cleanser, which has that strong frankincense scent to it. This feels really, really nice. I like the feeling of this. I think this would be really nice on the skin when you're cleansing it. Probably a little bit better than the one from the Rose collection, I think. Yeah, like there's something I like about this. I like this texture. Yeah, I'm looking forward to giving this a go. It says with this one you can use in the morning and the evening. You just apply a small amount to the palm of your hand, massage into dry skin in upward circular motions, allow the cleansing gel to melt into a conditioning oil, and then apply some warm water to transform the oil into a creamy milk. Okay, so yeah, this sounds lovely. I'm excited to give this a go. And then the last thing in the Frankincense Intense collection is an hydrating essence. Okay, so this sounds great. Again, this says it will visibly smooth and condition and refine the skin. The cap for this one is rose gold with their logo, which is cute. So just put a little bit on my hand there, and this feels really nice. Almost like a super watery oil. Yeah, and again my hand is just getting all these products rubbed into it, so look at that, it's going to be like super moisturised and shiny. I'm going to have like the most healthiest hands in Scotland right now. So that's everything from that collection. So we've got a bunch of products there to really help with fine lines, wrinkles, and just help with the overall appearance of our skin to help it age more better, or age well should I say. This is probably my favourite collection so far because I'm loving the formula of a bunch of the products in here, especially the hand serum. And then in the last drawer we get the Women's Balance collection. So we've got 5 products in this collection. The first one here we get from the Women's Balance collection is the foaming bath. So this I won't be able to experience because I don't have a bath, I've got a shower, but I can see there's a shower product there which I will get into in a minute. So it says that this is a harmonious bath, a harmonious body and mind product which relaxes with a balancing blend of rose absolute, geranium and frankincense essential oils. Okay, so this I would have loved to have tried in a bath, but however I may take this. I've mentioned before that I normally take some bath products to hotels that I book. So when I go away anywhere and I have a bath in the room, I will take some bath products with me so that I can, you know, just experience a bath. Yeah, this would have been lovely to try right now, but anyway, now here's something I can use right now. This is the shower oil, and it says this luxuriously cleanses with macadamia and sea buckthorn oils for satin soft skin and a balancing blend of rose absolute, geranium, frankincense essential oils. I'm going to give this a little smell. I like that it says sea buckthorn because I've tried a few things before with that in it. I think Elemis has that ingredient in a lot of their products. Oh, that is lovely. I love the scent of that. Oh, yeah, that's really nice. It's a lot more subtle than the actual frankincense collection because, you know, because it has a few other ingredients mixed in it there, it makes it less intense and a lot kind of like smoother. Oh, I like that. I like the scent of this one. You apply it to wet skin and massage until the oil transforms into a soft milky lather. And for a close in shower shave, you can apply this to wet skin before shaving. Okay, so I like that. That's a good tip. I will try that out in my shower. Next thing in the collection is the Good Night Pillow Mist, and it's for a restful and relaxing night's sleep. A lot of pillow mists have lavender in them, so I'm interested to see how this one smells. Yeah, there's lavender in there, but there's also a couple other scents. I think there's lavender in it. Yeah, but there's also a couple other scents in it which makes it a little bit nicer. Almost like a slight like fragrance smell, like a masculine fragrance smell. I don't know if you will think that, but there is some sort of slight masculine fragrance or like aftershave scent in that, which makes it nice for a pillow spray because yeah, sometimes a product is just full of lavender and it is just too strong for nighttime. Then the next thing we get is the massage oil. And it says this intensely replenishes with macadamia and sea buckthorn oil for a smooth, supple skin and a balanced blend of rose, absolute, geranium, frankincense and essential oils. That'll be really nice to use on weekends when you want to like basically just chill out, relax and yeah, pamper yourself. All these products will be really great to use at the weekend because like that's when we like to just chill out, relax and treat ourselves. So yeah, I'm excited about these. And then the last thing in this collection is the Remedies roll-on. So this must be like a little, is it like a little stress thing or is it like a fragrance? Yeah, rollover pulse points. So basically it's going to help to de-stress this. Yeah, I'm going to just rub it on my wrists here. Yeah, similar scent to the rest of the products in the collection. There's also in it there's balsam copa. There's also bergamot, clary, and a couple other things. So there's a few different ingredients in this one. But yeah, nice, and that will help to relax and de-stress as well. So it's a good product to use again along with the rest of the stuff, but you could use this every day really. So yeah, that's good. And it's also like quite a good handbag size as well. It'll fit into many kind of like purses and things. So I'm just going to sum up on my favourite products from the 3 collections. Everything looks great here, but a couple of my favourite products would be the Frankincense Intense Hand Treatment Serum. That just feels lovely. Also the cleansing melt from the collection. I'm looking forward to using that, and I am loving the sound and the look of the Glow Day Cream from the Wild Rose collection, so that's another standout for me. And the shower oil from the Women's Balance collection, and I'd probably say the One Pot Wonder from the Wild Rose collection because it says it's a cult product and I would love to know like why and yeah, experience this on my skin. So they're the main standout products for me in this gift set. Everything looks great and of course I'm very excited to try everything, but these are probably my top favourites. That's everything for this unboxing, and I would love to know your thoughts on this gift set. Like, this is the first kind of big gift set or kind of advent calendar idea thing that Neal Yard Remedy has done, and I love that they have included 3 different collections in the set. It gives a lot of people the opportunity to try each of the collections out as like a little routine, so you get like a more than just one product from each range that they have. I love that everything is natural and organic, and there's also a lot of essential oils now which are really good for the skin and for the body, also really good for the mind as well. I will leave a link to it down below in the description box when it's available. It will be available this month of November, and it is worth £335 and it will be selling for £250 on the website. So yeah, I really hope you liked and enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and I'll speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye.